YouTube. Hey, I just picked up this radiator cap on eBay from Gallopin Honda. It was the best price I found on the internet. I'll give you a link down below so you can get it for yourself. But I'm replacing this on my Honda Pilot. I've got the original one on here. So this radiator cap's been on here for 180,000 miles. And lately I've been using a little bit of coolant. But I haven't seen any leaks anywhere, so I read somewhere online that could potentially be your radiator cap. So since this is the original one, I decided I'd go ahead and replace it. And again, I just got this in the mail from Gallopin Honda. It was great, really great price on eBay. Actually better than Amazon, and way better than you can get at your local Honda dealership. And so I went with the original one. This is one of those things where you want to get the original one. Don't get an aftermarket one. They don't work as well as the Honda one. I use a lot of different aftermarket parts on this Honda Pilot, but something like this, the radiator cap, I usually go with a Honda part. The other thing that I always go with a Honda part on is the PCV valve. I tried using an aftermarket one and it got clogged up right away. Didn't work as well. Was down on power and then started leaking oil from the rear main seal. So again, that little sucker down there is the PCV valve, and I recommend going with the Honda part on that one. So great job from Gallopin Honda. They sent this to me and it came to me like in no time. I feel like it was 2-day delivery on it. And again, great price on eBay. Alright guys, thanks for looking.